everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to decorate this pot. To make this pot suitable for painting, you have to wash this pot 2 to 3 times and soak in water for 10 to 20 minutes and your pot is ready to paint. For this, you will need a pot, M-seal, some acrylic paints. Acrylic paint is better than poster paints, so use acrylic paint if you can. Then scale, some different size brushes, palette or plate to mix the paint, and a cotton swab if you need it. Now take watercolor. You can use acrylic color also. First I have used watercolor and given another coat of acrylic white color on it so that it looks opaque. Now after this paint, you can take any other color. I have chosen yellow and I'm giving another coat upon this white color. Now you can show your creativity. It's your canvas, and here I have taken red paint and drawn simple stripes on it, and even you can use cotton swab and create the dot type pattern on the spot. Shake the paint before you use it. Now take M-seal and cut the both of them in same amount and mix them well and make ball and roll it in cylindrical shape as shown in the video. And you can cut the pieces. I have cut 30 pieces, 25 for flower petals and 5 for leaf. To make the flower, flatten the pieces and stick them together with other piece as shown. And repeat this process until you get the desired shape you want. It's not compulsory that you have to make flower. You can make any other shape and pattern. Now take the rest of them and make a ball shape. And now make leaf shape out of the ball. And draw those lines which leaves have and smudge it with the flower so that it stays tight. Now do the another one also. Let it dry and give a white paint over it, and after that you can paint. Now take some M-seal and stick behind the flower and stick it where you want on the pot and smudge it well so that it stays safe. You can use water also. Then I gave some finishing touches to the flower. Now take some more M-seal and make leaves out of it. Now make those lines on the leaves and stick it on the pot. Now again you have to put white coat over it and paint it. Now you can give the final touch up to your pot so that it looks beautiful. Now your pot is ready. I hope you liked it. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. I hope you like it. Bye and thank you.